Hey guys, welcome to your weekly movement motivation. Today I want to give you a fluid flow that you can do before your workout. If you get to the gym at any time of the day and you feel tight, a little stiff, and you need something to prime your muscles, just help you feel a little bit better before you even do your warm up. I've got 4 simple exercises to start off. So the first is going to be the runner stretch, or the world's greatest stretch. So you're just going to take one leg in front of the other. We're going to hinge down, okay? You can add a little twist, and then we're going to come up and we're going to step into the next one, okay? So I've got nice long turf here to give me some space. If you don't, find a spot and just alternate between the two. Some alternatives, you can come down, take that arm all the way over and then come back down. Also, nice flow here, just take the arms back, reach over to the side and then come on back down, okay? The next is going to be a cross leg hinge. So you're going to, again, use some distance if you've got it. We're going to cross the leg over and then we're just going to sit back, opening up that glute and that hamstring. Step forward, switch sides, cross, sit back. If you don't have the balance for that, find yourself something to hold on to and just alternate between the two sides. The next one is going to be a Cossack squat. So you're not going to go down super deep in this. Again, this is just to get some blood flowing, feel a little bit better, open things up. So you're going to step to the side, sit back, rotate that other leg up, and then come together. Switch sides, sit back, rotate. And again, use some distance, travel with these, feel a little bit better. The last one is going to be in all 4 position. We're going to do a T-spine twist into a child's pose. So hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips, hands to head. We're going to twist open and then we're going to sit back. Come back up, twist open, sit back. Okay? Maybe 5 on each side of that. So really quickly, all 4 of them one more time. We're going to do world's greatest stretch. Come on down, play around with those hips if you can. Add an arm, add some extension through the spine. Okay? Our next one is that cross leg hinge. Find something to hold on to if you don't have the balance yet for it. Next is that Cossack squat. So sit back, rotate. And again, you can stay in one spot. You don't have to travel with these. And then the last one is that all 4 position, hand to head, T-spine rotation, sit back into a child's pose, come back up, twist, sit back into a child's pose, okay? You can do as many of these as you want to. This feels great. Again, just to start your day off, whether you're at the gym or not, if you just need to open your muscles up, you're feeling tight, stiff, give this little flow a try, see if you like it, and let me know. I hope you guys have a great week.